Hi, my name is Harrison Taylor, and this is my AEP Data Analysis and Assessment Module 1 introduction video. A little bit background on myself. I'm currently a 9-12 special education teacher in the Basehor Linwood School District at the high school level. I coach football. I assist with strength and conditioning in the summer. I'm also a member of the school building leadership team. I have a background in social studies before special education, so that's more of my emphasis. And when I'm not teaching or coaching, I like to be outdoors, hunting and fishing and those sorts of things. A reflection of my district's level use of data analysis. I think my district does a really good job of this overall, and it's recently improved. We have a new director of teaching and learning at the district level. He's really organized and sorted this stuff, so it's easier for us to compare state test scores from the past, from previous years and things like that, so we can see how the current sophomores tested as 8th graders, tested as 4th graders, so you can track the same group of students, because we know that different groups of students will test differently. Maybe it's a really sharp group of sophomores and the junior group is not as high level, and then we can really see how the things that we're doing have impacted the students. I do feel that teachers in our district could improve at using the data that we collect in the classroom. We do at least a semester, I think even quarterly map data, and so teachers need to make sure they're using this to make educational decisions that affect their classrooms. My own use of data analysis data, I've been really fortunate this last semester and then continuing this next school year. I've been given a block to collect data and do different things to help the administration out. So that's been really good. Track things such as students who have an F, eligibility for our school, and those types of things, and really helped out there. So that's really given me a lot of experience. And then as a special education teacher, we're collecting data all the time, progress monitoring, those types of things. So I feel like I have an advantage over, just a general education teacher. But I think I could still, make sure that I'm using this data authentically and, making sure it's relevant, and then making sure that I'm using the information to make the students' education, the best it can possibly be. And then my plan to improve my current knowledge. First of all, I want to do a really good job in this class, make sure that I'm learning everything I can and being able to apply this as I continue in education. I want to keep talking to my mentors and the administrators I work with and learn the ways that they use data, how they collect it, how this is just used on a daily basis, and learn from that. And then also I want to research the best practices and new innovations that come out with technology and things like that. I want to add these things that are available, into my kind of education toolbox, so to speak. So I really look forward to taking this class and continuing on my Fort Hays journey.